L1A high-speed computerized lock-stitch sewing machine. Electromechanical integrated design, easy installation, and simple appearance. The new layout of the casing, the design of the whole machine through the shaft. The casing, shaft parts, and mechanical parts are all using automatic, high-precision equipment processing, low temperature rise, low noise. Adopt circular knife automatic trimming design, fast speed, soft voice, and it is equipped with the functions such as automatic reverse sewing, which greatly improves work efficiency. Equipped with USB interface, provide user-friendly service functions such as mobile phone charging and external fans. Equipped with a simple LCD display operation panel, the operation interface is simpler. Needle lock function. At the same time, it is equipped with adjustable LED energy-saving lighting. A total of 3 lighting levels can be adjusted, which is more conducive to the operator's sewing work. Equipped with electronic thread clamping as standard, achieve uniform stitching and continuous sewing. The upper thread catcher can reduce the front side of the fabric. High-speed, stable, and durable. L1A high-speed computerized lock-stitch sewing machine. Safeguard your sewing experience.